In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate a task with AppScript and Gemini in under 5 minutes without writing a single line of code. This is the Google Sheets that contains the events I want to add to my calendar. Of course, I don't want to have to do this manually. To start interacting with the Gemini app, I access gemini.google.com. Gemini is multimodal, meaning it can understand more than only written text. I can show Gemini a screenshot of my sheet for it to understand the starting point for the task I want to automate. Note, you could also copy and paste a table or cells to show Gemini the content of the sheet. In the Gemini app, I'm going to detail the solution I want Gemini to code for me. I'm being very specific as I know exactly how I want the solution to work. My prompt reads, "You're an expert at coding automations using AppScript. Help me write the following automation. The goal is to have the events listed in this Google Sheet. See the screenshot I'm uploading. Add it to my Google Calendar. I want to start the automation by clicking on a custom menu item, Add Events to Calendar. Generate the code for this automation in AppScript." Gemini answers with the AppScript code I requested and a step-by-step guide on how to get this automation working. I copy the code so that I can paste it in the next step. In my Sheets file, I create an AppScript project. I rename it, and I paste the code Gemini generated. I have to refresh the Sheets file for the script to run, and after a couple of seconds, the menu is customized. I run the automation by clicking the custom menu item that the script added. Since I'm running the script for the first time, I have to grant it authorization to run. The script ran successfully, and I can verify this in Google Calendar, where I now see the events. With just one prompt, we had Gemini generate AppScript to power our automation. If I wanted to add further features, like the tracking of the status that Gemini mentions, I can ask Gemini to update the code, which I then again can copy and paste into the AppScript IDE. If you're curious what else you can automate within Google Workspace, check out the video my colleague Pierrick made. It's a great place to learn more about the Workspace platform and how you can extend and customize it.